Have you ever poured your heart and soul into creating content, only to get that dreaded email from YouTube saying your channel isn't eligible for monetization? Well, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to share my personal experience with getting rejected for YouTube monetization, the reasons behind it, and most importantly, how you can avoid making the same mistakes. So stick around because this is going to be super insightful. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a topic that many aspiring YouTubers face: getting rejected for YouTube monetization. 1. Content quality. First up, let's talk about content quality. YouTube has strict guidelines when it comes to the quality of content they want to monetize. This means your videos need to be original, engaging, and provide value to your audience. In my case, I realized that some of my videos were a bit repetitive and didn't offer anything new. YouTube wants to see that you're putting effort into creating unique content that stands out. To improve, I started brainstorming new ideas, experimenting with different formats, and making sure each video had a clear purpose. Remember, quality over quantity. The next video. 2. Community guidelines. Next, let's discuss community guidelines. YouTube has a set of rules that all creators must follow, and violating these can lead to monetization rejection. This includes things like avoiding hate speech, graphic content, and ensuring your content is suitable for all advertisers. I had a couple of videos that, in hindsight, were a bit edgy and didn't align with YouTube's guidelines. To fix this, I went through my entire channel, reviewed each video, and removed or edited any content that could be seen as problematic. It's crucial to stay updated with YouTube's policies and make sure your content complies. 3. Watch time and subscribers. Another major factor is watch time and subscribers. YouTube requires you to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. When I first applied, I was just shy of these numbers. It's not just about hitting these milestones. It's about maintaining consistent engagement. To boost my watch time, I started creating longer, more engaging videos and encouraged my viewers to watch till the end. I also interacted more with my audience through comments and social media to build a loyal community. 4. Reused content. One of the trickiest reasons for rejection is reused content. YouTube wants to ensure that your channel is original and not just a compilation of other people's work. I had a few videos that included clips from other creators, even though I added my commentary. This was a big no-no. To resolve this, I started creating more original content and used clips sparingly, ensuring they were transformative and added value, always aim to create something new and unique. 5. Metadata and thumbnails. Lastly, let's talk about metadata and thumbnails. Misleading titles, descriptions, and thumbnails can lead to rejection. I had a few videos where the thumbnail and title didn't accurately represent the content, which can be seen as clickbait. I revamped my thumbnails and titles to be more accurate and reflective of the video content. This not only helps with monetization, but also builds trust with your audience. So, there you have it. Those are the main reasons why I got rejected for YouTube monetization and how I fixed them. If you're facing similar issues, don't get discouraged. Take it as a learning experience and keep improving. Remember, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep creating, keep engaging, and you'll get there. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with fellow creators, and leave a comment below with your own experiences or questions. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.